Welcome to my channel. Today we will learn the alphabet capital letter with the concept of color. I hope you will enjoy the video. So let's start. A. The color of A is blue. B. The color of B is orange. C. The color of C is deep green. D. The color of D is yellow. E. The color of E is red. F. The color of F is purple. G. The color of G is light green. H. The color of H is black. I. The color of I is pink. J. The color of J is sky blue. K. The color of K is yellow green. L. The color of L is brown. M. The color of M is blue. N. The color of N is orange. O. The color of O is deep green. P. The color of P is yellow. Q. The color of Q is red. R. The color of R is purple. S. The color of S is light green. T. The color of T is black. U. The color of U is pink. V. The color of V is sky blue. W. The color of W is yellow green. X. The color of X is brown. Y. The color of Y is blue. Z. The color of Z is orange. Now, up to this. I will come back very soon with more new interesting video. This video, I think you have enjoyed and learned the capital letter, alphabet and various colors. To watch more such interesting videos, kindly subscribe my channel and share it. Keep watching. Thank you.